CV Fab intercooler. This thing looks really well built. Definitely much nicer than the stock. Very clean. I'm very pleased so far. So with the CV Fabrication intercooler, I also ordered the Turbosmart Vee port blow-off valve. Here's the unveiling of it. Look at this bad boy. Billet aluminum, very, very high quality. It just feels like it's very well made. And it is. Old intercooler, new intercooler. Slick. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Boosted Impact. We are working on the Gen 2 Raptor. Just got the new shoes put on today. Happy day. All right. Been waiting for the ability to do the stage 2 tune from Goose Tune, and what was needed to do so is the intercooler. So today we are installing a CV Fab high flow intercooler. It's going to go in the stock mounting location, and also got the Turbosmart Vee port blow off valve. Stay tuned. This bad boy is about to be absolutely sick. Happy day. So we got the intercooler put on today. We got the blow off valve put on today. We also got the new shoes put on today. Boosted Impact's mascot vehicle is underway. Now we're about to upload the stage 2 tune from COBB. Stage 2 93 Octane from COBB is now being downloaded as we speak. Doing its thing. I'm gonna do a little pull with the stage 2 tune on here. Check out the speedometer and go. Hey y'all, it's me, Sam, with Boosted Impact. Thanks for watching our videos. We are so glad you're part of this thing. So happy to have the Raptor. So excited to be a part of what Boosted Impact is doing. Believe it or not, we are helping people and we want your support. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.